Hey guys, how's it going? How to add bank account in crypto.com. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, make sure that you downloaded the app, and after you log in and verified your account on crypto.com, what you're gonna do, open the crypto.com app, and then what you want to do is click on deposit button, and then now from here you want to click on fiat and then select your currency. Okay, and basically after you select your currency, you're gonna be able to deposit a fiat. In your case, if you're using euros or pounds or US dollars, you can just select your currency, and then if you want to set up a new currency, you can do it. And then basically after you've selected your currency, just move along to the next step. And then basically what you're gonna do, you will get the option to deposit using your bank account, and then basically you're gonna enter, you will get some more information. So go to your bank, for example, Revolt is what I used, and then create a new transfer and fill in the information right there. And basically for the bank name, select OpenPayD. You can go ahead and copy it and paste it in. You're gonna see all that bank information and all that, so you can transfer your money to that specific bank that's been provided by crypto app. And then after depositing your money from bank account, this can be any amount of money, it will show up in your balance. And now if you want to withdraw your bank account, it's really easy. Just go back to your accounts right here, and then click on your fiat wallet, and then click on transfer, and here click on withdraw, and then basically click on select the amount of money, or click on the currency that you want to withdraw, and basically you will now be able to withdraw to your bank account. Since you have added your bank account by depositing into crypto.com from your bank, the minimum per transaction is £80, and the daily maximum is 100,000. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.